Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. So first, what you guys want to do is remove a screen protector or a case, and I'll explain why. Basically, when your screen protector is poorly applied, then that might cause issues with the ghost touches. So for example, when your screen protector is leaving here, and it's covering the edge of your phone and not the screen, then it might cause the issue, so that whenever you try and press on the screen, then there's something that's pressing on it, and that may cause ghost touches. So for example, when you want to unlock your phone, you just won't be able to because something is blocking the screen. So if your screen protector is not applied properly, then I recommend you guys removing it. And now moving on to the case, I recommend removing it only when it touches the screen right here. So imagine you got a case for the phone and it accidentally is too poorly made, like it's not good, it's not too good for the phone. So here we have the side of the phone, as you guys can see, it's covering the entire side. So now imagine it just covers a little bit more here. As you guys can see, we've got the screen starting right here. It's so close to the side that whenever you actually try and use the phone with the case, then you just won't be able to because the case is blocking you from it. So remove them if the case is not original and the screen protector is poorly applied. Now moving on to cleaning our screen. So we need to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. It's very important to do so because it also might cause a lot of issues. So if you've got sweaty hands, for example, you've been after a game or a match, you've been playing, you won, you tried your best, and then you try to use your phone, you just won't be able to because your phone is covered in your sweat. And you won't be touching the screen, you'll be touching the sweat and basically any moisture that you made to the screen. So get your microfiber cloth. I guess any kind of cloth just will make it, but this one specifically I think is the best. So give it a few good swipes, but don't go hard on the device so we won't damage it. Now after swiping, it should look very good. And now, last but not least, what we can do is we can unlock the phone and here go over to settings. So we are in the settings right now. Here we need to scroll all the way down until we see the system and update. Now let's click it and here click software update. As you guys can see, my version is up to date. It's basically checking automatically. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates and my version is up to date. So I recommend you guys also updating your software. It can fix a lot of issues, including the touch glitches, your screen glitches, your speaker glitches, and a lot more. Basically, you get rid of old glitches that are probably fixed in the latest update and you just replace your old system with the new one. Not entirely system, but you know what I mean. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.